Hello farmers, I'm Maurice from Menit Farms Limited, here in Kato, in Kayunga district. We have just delivered these Savannah goats here at Hodari Farms in Kayunga here. So I'm going to take you through the biosecurity measures. When you receive new animals at the farm, what should you do? Just watch and you see what we are going to do. First of all, these animals, we quarantined them, and along the way, you don't know what has happened. So when they reach the farm, we administer some antibiotic to prevent any bacterial infection that they may have acquired along the way. And then we shall have to inject them multivitamin to reduce stress, because as you have seen them, they have been on the track. On the track they have a lot of stress, they have been moving up and down. So multivitamin will help them to reduce the stress. See what we are going to do. This is the first step. We are going to separate the animals and we treat them. As I illustrated to you, when you receive new animals, what you do is to protect them from bacterial infections, because once you transport them along the way, you never know, they may have contracted any bacterial infection. So when you receive such animals, as I told you, you must administer the anti-stress and the antibiotics. So with me, I'm giving this Savannah male goat. This one is, I'm going to give it oxytetracycline to prevent all the bacterial infections. So as you can see, this is like 80 kilograms. So when you are administering oxytetracycline per 10 kilograms, you give 1 meal. So this one I'm going to give it 8 meals. These are my 8 meals. We have delivered 7 goats, so all the 7 goats are going to be treated.